Folks, did you have ever heard of MZ Motorrad? I am sure most people have gone through. Meet the MZ's flagship model, the 1000S, but wait, when I first saw this picture, I misunderstood it with the legendary CBR 954 and KTM RC8, but when I researched a bit, I found this. A classic German pride in elite class super sports performance. Yes, you heard it right, this is not a Japanese masterpiece with screaming inline 4 or an Italian, with roaring V-twin, but still, it packs underneath the finest parallel twin of that time. Once the flagship of the range, the 1000S was the MZ's largest ever displacement motorcycle that the company is planning its future around. It was MZ's first multi-cylinder bike since 1959. It was the most powerful production inline twin-cylinder engine worldwide, which rolls straight out of the factory. It is a full-fledged sports motorcycle, which packs a 998cc 180-degree parallel twin engine. Produced between 2004 till 2007 and released in the US in 2005 and later by the now defunct German company MZ Motorrad. History. In the communist era, the East German firm MZ Motorrad produced only single-cylinder, two-stroke commuters, small displacement motorcycles which were mostly rugged. From then MZ developed successful 250cc ISTT machines. MZ was then the world leaders in two-stroke design. After the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989, MZ had access to Western designers and resources, and they hoped to move into a more sophisticated market. In 1994, the factory produced the Scorpion range. Later, after being taken over by Hong Leong Group of Malaysia in year 1996, MZ began a project to produce its own 1000cc superbike, but unfortunately MZ stopped all production in 2013. The bike was first shown at the 2000 Intermode show in Germany and has been produced since 2003. The bike initially sold well, particularly in Germany. Development. The 1000S New Edge design was drawn by Peter Norman, who designed the F-117 stealth fighter, and the 1000S won a silver medal from International Design Forum. Initial reports were that this would have a twin engine, but MZ eventually opted for a parallel twin instead with a 180 degrees crank. The frame is a twin spar design, not unlike that of the Aprilia Falco, but whereas the Falco has an alloy frame, the MZ used chrome moly steel. Model range. MZ, who had grand plans to become a major world manufacturer, in addition to the MZ 1000S, which is a sports version, went on to produce some variants of the 1000S, such as the MZ 1000 ST, sports touring version, and MZ 1000 SF, Street Fighter Naked, which uses the same engine as the Saint, but eventually, due to financial troubles set in the MZ factory was closed.